Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting a dedicated backup target, a USB drive or network share, because file history needs a destination. Once connected, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup. Click Add a Drive and pick your device. Make sure file history is turned on so Windows begins tracking versions. You'll also choose how often to save and how long to keep versions. Set those now so your backups match how often your files change. Once file history is enabled, open More options to control what gets backed up and what doesn't. You'll add important folders and use Exclude to skip large or temporary files. Then set the frequency, for example, 10 minutes for active work or hourly for light change, and choose Retention so old versions auto-delete. Make sure your key libraries like documents and pictures are listed. If you use OneDrive files offline, include those too. These choices balance protection with storage usage. To finish, verify restores. Open Control Panel or Settings and choose Restore Personal Files to browse versions. You should test by restoring a small file to confirm the process and path. If restore fails or backup stop, check 3 things. The backup drive has free space, Windows has permission to write to the target, and the file history service is running. If issues persist, disconnect and reconnect the drive or pick a different share. Then rerun a test to ensure reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.